Another day in my life as a personal chef. I wrote a little read with me, Regretting You by Colleen Hoover. I actually finished that book and it was so good. I used this blackened cauliflower recipe from Cafe Haley, which was amazing, and I put some cilantro sauce on top of that. Then I made these turkey meatballs that are honey and garlic flavored, and I made a sauce to cover them. So good. I just like reduced the sauce down a little bit so that I can get a nice glaze onto those meatballs. And then my client wanted banana pudding for dessert. I made this a little bit ahead of time so that it had time to sit in the refrigerator and the cookies on the bottom layer can get nice and soft. Then I started making some udon noodles so that I can make a nice little chicken stir fry. So you see I have my little chicken pieces here. And then I made this stir fry with some peppers, cabbage, carrots. I forgot what else was in there, but this is everything. And then I worked on plating everything. The honey garlic meatballs have a herb orzo underneath. So good. Then I went home and that was all for the night.